Hi, Kayla. I'm just going over your self-portrait project. Just checking CMYK color mode. That's good. If we go to image size, it's looking like this is in 72 dpi. I wanted it at 300, and it's 7 by 10 at 300, which is still not a bad resolution. So it would print clearly if we wanted to print this. Let's see. So your JPEG looks a little different than your PSD too. Let's see. Just looking at some of your layers here. Not sure what this. Definitely have an image here in the background of some trees that's clipped out. Your suns are clipped out, really cute. The image of you is down here, and then you have another image under you. So you definitely have enough clipping masks, and you have enough layers, and you are in CMYK color mode. It's just not set up to the correct dimensions. It should be 8.5 by 11, so 8.5 wide by 11 inches tall. But it's still high. It's still relatively high resolution, which is good. It's not blurry. You're not using blurry images, so that's helpful to your grade. And I think it turned out really nice. I like how you added in the forest, and your suns are here, so it's really cute. And I like the way that you cropped yourself off to the side here. So I think this is a really successful project, and I think you did really well. So anyway, I'll let you go. I'll talk to you later. Great job.